moving on with these 7 elements of art, we're going to do line. So we've done color, value, composition, and line. Line is basically directionality or literal lines in the work of art. And those lines can be brush strokes, it can be pencil markings, or can be just a sense of movement or direction in a work of art. That's line. So a part of the point of these explorations is to help you connect it further into your own personal life. And the thinking gets pretty abstract here, so just bear with me. One of the easier ones that we can do is if you were to basically strip every other element away from this work of art and there was just line, what direction would it be going in? What would the line look like? Would it be a zigzag? Is it a curve? Is it top to bottom? Is it, upper quadrant to middle section? Whatever. Just like identifying where you think the line is and starting to train your eye to see line in that way. And then exploring where in your life that kind of line happens, or where in your life that type of movement shows up. So it could be, when you look at your financial chart, the direction of that line feels similar to the line in here, or a particular shape of something, or, the way that a river moves feels synonymous with the lines that you're seeing in a work of art. Handwriting, if the piece seems to move from right to left. And that's another note, actually, because there really is directionality when we're looking at line. It's not just a straight line. It's trying to decide if the line is moving from right to left or left to right. And there are a lot of ways that you can do that technically, but I think you should be intuitive about it and just feel a sense of, okay, does the piece move this way or does it move this way? And just letting that come naturally or intuitively, and trying not to be logical in it. A lot of this is abstract thinking. It is helping us resist the impulse to make things very logical when we are looking at art, and let us get into our meaning-making capacity and our intuitive sense of something. And it honestly does not matter whether you are right or wrong. It is how you are interpreting that and how you are applying it in your own life. One other question I think that you can ask to try to get at meaning is, if you were to strip away truly every other element in the work of art, so every color, totally black and white, every known object or shape, everything that makes it feel really obvious what it is, and you just had line, what meaning would be lost and what meaning would be gained? I think it's an interesting way to explore how line is imparting meaning to us.